My video guide will help you to remove the online scam related to the website Red-control-wn1.click pop-up, and the similar pop-up is Red-control-wn2.click. The difference between these two pop-ups is that the first one is specified in English and the second one is specified in French. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software into your computer. If you read the contents of these pop-ups, they try to really scare you into thinking that your computer is horribly infected by some viruses and malware. Then these pop-ups have got the special button which the pop-up tries to make you click on. It's a subscribe now button, and then people get forwarded to some other website that promotes a totally different software, not the one that is initially advertised. So you've got to be very careful not to trust these deceitful messages. As I said, these pop-ups try to promote certain software, and even if this would be some decent software, we still condemn such methods because this is the typical online scam. So what to do if you see these pop-ups and don't know what actually causes them? First thing you could do and you should do is to check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any suspicious programs that might be here on the list. Second thing you can do is to go to the menu More Tools and Extensions. Disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of all other threats, scan it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.